Nah, man, not quite finished yet. Girl, I think you just might have tried to pull a motherfucking fast when I'm mad. You just hurt my goddamn feeling, and that was the last one I had. Does this look like an arcade trying to play games? See this sword blade, see the silhouette of a stalker in your walkway? Better cooperate or get sauteed and rotisserie while you're hog-tied. MCs get so quiet you can hear a motherfucking dog whistle when I walk by. Cold Seavers on a mule, stunting on that ass like the fucking fall guy. I don't gas my Mercedes after midnight, I treat it like a mogwai, cause it will turn into a gremlin and run over kids, women, and men. Vin motor so big you can fit a midget in his engine. Bitch, give me them digits while you're cringing, not by the head.